Hey guys, so I'm so sorry about my sudden disappearance. There are 4 reasons why that happened, and I'll be explaining them throughout this video. And while doing that, I'll also be drawing Broly. So the 4 main reasons why I have not been uploading are: the first one, the not so major one, is that my mic's batteries just ran out. Why I call this not so major? Cause I was dumb enough not to use my calculator's batteries, and right now I'm using my calculator's batteries to power my mic. That's how dumb I was. So that's why it's not so major. The second reason is my phone's data cable broke, so I had to wait until I got a new one, and I just got a new one like 2 weeks ago. The third reason, one of the major ones, is I have been going through a gaming addiction, and that's taken me over. I used to game 3 hours per day. I toned that down so I can make time for my drawing. And yeah, so let's get to the fourth reason, which is the final reason that I have not been uploading. That is, my exams are coming up. There's only 1 week left until my exams, so I have been preparing. Just wish me luck, okay? I might not make it out alive. I'm just kidding, I will. But yeah, those are mainly the reasons that I have not been uploading. Thank you guys so much for keeping up the support while I was gone. Anyways, this is a drawing. Yeah, I know it's not that good, and the editing wasn't that special in this video, but yeah, peace.